The ET3 box comes with 4 components. 1. The ET3 harness. 2. The user manual. 3. Strap for battery-powered tools. 4. Hip extenders. Before first use, the harness needs to be adjusted to your body. Let's get started. Adjust the upper part to the correct height. The panel should fit snugly against your shoulder blades like this. Choose whether you'll work straight or at an angle. Set the shoulder straps to a comfortable length. Attach the hip belt and use the extenders if needed. Make sure the hip belt rests on your hips so that the weight is carried by them. Finally, check your shoulder straps and secure the chest strap. Let's look at how the ET3 supports different hedge trimmers. Use the strap for battery-powered tools. Use the carabiner for fuel-powered tools. The cable tension is preset to suit tools weighing between 4.5 kilograms and 8 kilograms. Your ET3 is now ready to use. Enjoy ergonomic support and less strain during work.